Hello, my son.
Hello, gorgeous.
Back at it again, attacking Qui-Gon Jinn. Today I need to do two projects. Number one, I'm going to continue with the logo challenge. So today we have number 22, 22, and then the second project where I gotta do is I just got a little freelance project contract to make a little animation. So let's get started on logo challenge number 22. Ooh, this is very different. You've almost made it through the entire 30 logos challenge series. Feels pretty awesome, right? Don't assume my emotions, okay? Let's take a little break from the client-directed challenges and try something different. We'd like you to focus on you. Okay, I'll try. As a designer, do you have your own personal logo? If not, design your own at this point for challenge number 22. Your logo doesn't have to be a virtual icon. Your written signature is a great way to brand yourself. It's unique, personal, and timeless, okay? Your roots. Do you hail from an iconic town or place? Is there something about your past that defines who you are? You can try implementing something from the history of you into your logo, which tells a story. Cool, okay. Go crazy. Remember, this logo represents you, not a giant corporation, a company, etc. You can use just about anything. You'll want to be remembered by clients. Go crazy, because after all, we're designers. We've got a little bit of crazy in us. Not me. I'm perfectly normal. I don't know about what other designers. We'll see how that goes. And at the end of it, let's take a vote. I'll give like logo options, and you guys decide which one's the best. Yeah, that'll be fun. Oh my gosh, I thought I was recording for the past hour, and then it turned out I wasn't. Broke my soul. I'm so sorry. Okay, so basically there won't be a time lapse. I'll just go back through and I'll show you all the steps I got to. So first, I started off thinking, what makes me a little bit unique? Goal. That's a word, by the way. A lot of times we don't like to think about what makes us unique because we don't want to be too, self-absorbed or things, but it's important sometimes just to think about what makes you a little bit different than other people. So one of the things for me is that I grew up in China, in a province called Sichuan, in a city called Chengdu, and Sichuan province is actually, I think it's like the only place in the world that pandas come from. I don't know exactly how they sprouted up there, but so one idea I had was a panda head, but then I thought, that's very common for logos. So then I thought about the Chinese zodiac calendar, and I was actually born in the year of the monkey. I thought that might be interesting avenue to go down. And then the third thing is my eyeballs. My eyeballs are very strange. Oh, they're different colors and they're different sizes. Oh my gosh, I can't control it. Oh no. Another thing is that I'm the youngest of 5 sons, and all of our names start with the letter Z. So yeah, let's see what I started with. Okay, basically, I started with this eyeball idea. I don't know. I think that's the most visually easy to represent. So I wanted to make kind of an outline character, I guess, a portraiture. So I just got different eyeball sizes, and then I was either smiley or no smiley face, but then I hated the hair. So then I thought, what if we give this guy like a bandana or something? So I put Z's here. There's actually 5 Z's to represent me and my brothers, the Z boys. So I made it go all the way, and then I was thinking, hey, this looks kind of fun. This is getting kind of fun-ish. And then I also thought it looks like a bowl. I used to eat a lot of noodles in China. Noodle ramen was looks like my jam, my jams. But anyways, then I thought, I don't know. It's okay, but it's not really me. So, but I did like the inside section. So I took the inside face guy here, and I started playing around with that. I kind of liked this. And then I made it loopy. And then I thought, you know what, chicken butt? We could have a little monkey if we just add a little 2 ears on each side, and then that would go back to the year of the monkey idea. And I was like, maybe we should play with that. So at first I wanted to make some badges. These 2 badges are terrible. This one's okay, but it's bad as well. I was like, bad idea might not be the best. So then I just went really simple with it. And here's a couple ideas, and I kind of like the one that curves up above. Maybe I shouldn't, but I kind of like it because it makes it look like it's crown or like your hair or my hair or something. So yeah, this is the logo I got to. It's basically a monkey with 2 different eyeballs and then my name up above. And this is the logo I've been working with, and this is kind of more representative of my YouTube channel, because I like this iMac and I use it a lot in a lot of my assets that I use. And then again, you get the repetition of the eyeball idea here, and then the little flappy disk drive insert section can be like a mouth or something, and you can create a little character. So I got kind of 2 character logos in the same idea almost, and they both have like 2 elements of who I am. The different eyes, and then this one's like the year of the monkey I was born in, and this one is kind of more related to my channel. So what I would like what I would like you guys to do is, if you don't mind, please leave in the comments below which one you prefer, and then I'll count all the votes, and then I'll go with that one. So it will either be Monkey Boy or Computer Boy. Okay, leave the comments. Leave a comment in the comment section below, my friends. Thank you very much. Okay, let's keep going. So leave a comment below, letting me know which logo you think is coolio. All right. Let's get on to the next project. I need to make a character on different layers that I can rig up, use some character rigging in After Effects. And this is something I've wanted to learn and get comfortable with for a long time. Also, I really want to learn how to like create characters in After Effects itself, but I think for now I'm just gonna make it in Illustrator and then import the layers and then try to get some cool rigging. So basically the app helps people organize in a church, so you can organize like groups that meet outside of the service and things. So what we need to do is create a character who's kind of feels excluded or lost in the community, and then another group of people who are like the in group, the in crowd. I'm gonna go ahead and do that. We'll see how that goes in the end. All right, let's get crack-a-lackin'. Oh, that's very loud. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you liked the process for both projects, and remember, please leave your opinion on which logo is the best, and I will use it for my personal brand. Also, if you think I can do better and all the directions are wrong, just say you could probably do better. Okay, thanks so much, guys. I hope you guys have a really nice Monday. And remember, be cool, be cool. Thank you so much for watching. Stay awesome, possum, and I'll see you later, alligator, tomorrow morning. Bye, guys.